Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. And if you're not real familiar with Jeep and you're looking for a Wrangler, let me give you a little lesson here. The 2012 is one of the most desirable years because it's the year they went to the 3.6 liter V6 engine. They got away from the 3.8 liter, and that gave you a ton more horsepower and better gas mileage. Very impressive. This one, of course, is the Sahara package, which is the top of the line. It's going to come with your premium bumpers. You got your premium alloy wheels. This one does have the Infinity system, which also gives you your factory Infinity subwoofer with additional power outlet there. And in these Jeeps, you do have storage underneath your back seat there. And again, on your premium alloy wheels, this one does have new BFG all-terrain tires on it. Of course, you get your running boards. And again, inside the Sahara package, you're getting your upgraded cloth interior. This one does have your sound bar. This one, along with your premium system, you're getting the duplicate audio controls, your cruise control. This one does have your duplicate audio controls on the back of the steering wheel as well. It is equipped with UConnect, which is Bluetooth capable. Of course, you have your power windows. This one does have your power mirrors, and the power mirrors are heated as well. And of course, you do have your air conditioning. This one does have your power outlet switch there, which gives you your 115 volt 150 watt power outlet. So you can plug your laptop or cooler or whatever you want to plug in there. And as you can see, this Jeep is very, very clean. It's a one owner Jeep. And again, it's the 2012. It's the one you want. So don't miss this Jeep. We have a 6-month, 6,000 mile warranty on all of our stuff. And we have no processing fees. So give us a call or shoot us a text at 540-433-7335. And thanks for stopping by.